Welcome to the Cryptosphere. This is Cryptogenic coming at you. Today is Monday, June 24th at 7:37 a.m. And reviewing these charts, I wanted to share with you that I believe we're coming upon the moment in which crypto becomes irresistible. And when I say that crypto becomes irresistible, I mean it becomes irresistible to the smart money. Now, I'm just going to look at this daily chart here, this daily Bitcoin chart. We can see a number of things. Number one, we can see we're in this, looks like a bull flag type of a movement. And all a bull flag is a consolidation within a bull market. That consolidation functions as an accumulation rather than a distribution. So whenever you see a consolidation pattern, the question you have to answer is it a consolidation or is it a distribution? My thesis is that we're looking at an accumulation before the next move up. Now, this white line is the 50-day moving average. The blue line is the 100-day moving average. Both of these were levels of support that we broke down from. The next level of support is the 200-day moving average. Now, we do have a little bullish volumetric order block here that is forming temporary support where we stand, and we may bounce from there, but I think there's a good chance we come down here to the 200-day moving average, and I'm going to show you why. If we go to this 4-hour chart, what we can see is that we were in this bearish channel going down. And if we take the measured objective of the depth of that channel and we throw it onto the bottom, this gives us a measured objective for the breakdown of this bearish channel of $58,048. And where does that happen to be? That happens to coincide almost exactly, virtually exactly, with where the 200-day moving average is. So it seems to me that the 200-day moving average is most likely our destination in this move, but simultaneously what's happening, and this is where I say crypto is becoming irresistible. Look what's happening on the daily chart. Bitcoin is down beneath this line here now. Down beneath this line, this Bollinger Band, we're in this realm that's called being oversold. Now, whenever Bitcoin is oversold on the daily, watch what happens. We are oversold on the daily here. Boom, we bottom, accumulation pattern, and then we break out. We hit the oversold point on the daily here. Boom, we explode. Oversold on the daily here, consolidation, breakout. Oversold on the daily here, breakout. So just about every time we hit this oversold position, there's a breakout. Now, it doesn't mean that we don't later break down. There could be a breakdown later, but what happens is when Bitcoin is oversold on the daily chart, Bitcoin becomes irresistible to the smart money. When the smart money starts to see it top out, they start taking profit. But what happens is when Bitcoin becomes irresistible, the whole crypto chart, a whole crypto market gets a boost, and the crypto market starts to take off. Now, this is what I'm looking at when I look at the total crypto market cap. Now, whenever you're doing trend analysis in crypto or any asset class, a break above the trend, there's got to be a retest. Most often there's a retest. You survive the retest. This is our second retest of the break above this trend. And we've got support right at this peak here at around 2.19 trillion. If we look at what's happening here, though, on the daily market cap chart, as we're breaking down into the oversold position. So when crypto is oversold, and look at this, on the daily, we're coming down towards the discount zone. I think we get to wick beneath this. If Bitcoin is still going to drop from where it is now, about another 4.85%, let's say. If that's the case, then we'll very likely get a drop down into this discount zone here on the daily chart. This is the place where crypto is on sale. And when crypto is on sale, there's a bunch of smart buyers that start buying the inventory. And what I think is going to happen is that we're going to hit this point. I mean, notice we came up here and we topped out, and we bottomed out, we topped out. I think we can very likely double bottom here and then break out of this. That's what I think is going to happen. So I think this is an exciting moment for crypto. I think this is a moment in which crypto, look at this on the 4-hour chart here. We're already deep in the oversold territory. Oh, and another thing I meant to show you here on the daily chart is that we got hidden bullish divergence. Notice this low and this low are significantly higher lows. But this low and this low are lower lows. So when you get a lower low in the RSI and a higher low in the price, that's called hidden bullish divergence. And it is an indication that the uptrend will continue. So if we come down and double tap this line, the RSI should be way down in the oversold position. Excuse me. And that increases the probability that we're going to see something like that, some breaking out of here. So I think it's an exciting moment for crypto, although there's a lot of fear in the atmosphere. But remember, the whole point of investing is buy the fear. You sell the hype and you buy the fear. Now, by the way, this is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy anything. I am just telling you what I'm thinking and what I'm seeing. I'm a hobbyist. I'm not a professional. So please take my material as commentary and entertainment, not as professional financial advice. All right, that's what I see. Thanks so much for watching. Do me a favor, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and be prepared for more content to come from Cryptogenic. And with that being said, make every effort to sleep in peace, wake in joy, and walk in love. This is Cryptogenic, signing out.